How to fix RTC connecting on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the Discord status. For that, open any of the browser and then type in Discord status and search for it. Now click on this website option, Discord status, open it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now from here, you can check whether all the system of Discord are operational or not. After you check this, close this, open your Discord app. Now at the bottom left corner, you will find the settings icon, click on it. Scroll down, at the left corner you will find the option of voice and video, click on it. Now you have to check whether you have set the voice setting to correct device or not. Likewise, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you will find the option of reset voice settings, click on it. Once you reset voice settings for the Discord, your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards next solution, close this app. Over here you will see this search box, type in Task Manager and search for it. Once it appears, open it. Now head towards the processor section. Under that you will find the Discord app, right click on it. Select the option End Task. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now the next thing you want to do is check the internet speed. For that, open any of the browser, type in internet speed test and search for it. Open any of the website link. Now check your internet speed. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or else you can give a fresh restart to your router. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix RTC connecting on Discord. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.